For this concept, we wanted to kind of bring to life these graphics and how they would be used in real life applications. So we wanted to create a mock retail environment where it kind of can showcase all the different uses that you could have for these graphics, whether it's on the walls, in the windows, and the floors, in a very practical way.
From a graphic manufacturer standpoint, when you have a big job like this, the things we tend to watch out for is we really want to know deadlines and deliverables so that we can lock in expectations and keep everything going on schedule. So it's going to come down to artwork, it's going to come down to production and installation. If you can hit all three of those, you'll be good.
We worked really closely with the graphics manufacturers in that we wanted to make sure everything we were designing and working on was going to work for the space and head off any issues before we even get here, so we know what to expect and what to deal with. And that, like, okay, yes, on that texture we're going to have to use this film and it's going to give you these properties, and on this floor we're going to use this because it gives us these features. So it was really a great process of kind of figuring out what's going to work best for each space and maximizing the wraps and maximizing the graphics to create a really unique retail environment.
In order to prepare for a big install like this, first of all, we need to know what we're installing, which products, because you got windows, you got textured walls, you got a van, we have floor graphics. So every application has different squeegees, different application methods, different tools.
So for this retail space, we're really looking at using 480 on the walls, good for rough wall installations to give a textured, almost painted look on the wall. On the floor, we're using 40C. It's a good floor graphic, 3645 over laminate, so skid resistant, scuff resistance, holds up well. Then on the glass, we have IJ8150, so that's a printable clear. So really, I mean, using all these products, all these 3M products, you can really tie the whole retail space together. So obviously, a lot of these graphics might be up for a longer amount of time. Sometimes we want to have graphics that are going to be more short term, so for a sale over a weekend or something like that. So countertops, walls, like a menu, anything that you're trying to just kind of convey a message for a short amount of time. It's a very versatile product.
It's kind of this marriage of art and science of where not only do we have to show it as a usable space, as how the practical application of these products, but also how do we make this look beautiful and how do we incorporate the 3M brand into it. The main graphics you kind of see, the climber, the grass, the ice cave, those are things that are kind of like as if it was a usable retail space, and then the trifecta is the abstract art side of it. So we actually have the opportunity to start the trifecta up on high surfaces, up on walls, across windows, and then actually extends across the floor. So as the camera moves through, we actually are following the gradient and the colors till we land in our perspective where it actually forms a triangle, which is part of the 3M brand.
The trends I see in the industry are really about creating a premium experience, whether it's in the product or the idea, just creating something that's really memorable. So when you transform space, it's memorable and it's surprising, and it makes you hopefully excited to be there.